Alright, here we are at KAON where they're designing and manufacturing all the most awesome four-wheel drive gear. And let's go and have a look and see what happens in here.
Really hard material. There will be one cutter's process. That's an oil on a 10.
That's us in Malaysia. That's me down the bottom. My dad's arms there. My brother actually was born on the boat on the way over, so he's got technically Malaysian citizenship. My dad's starting sweeping floors at Warman International, building drill rigs. So he got sent around to service the drill rigs and so forth, and he eventually got his fitting and turning ticket there. That's what he was doing in Vietnam already. Then he got made redundant in the early 80s, or mid-80s. And he just bought a lathe and started business underneath the house. So that's myself and my brother helping him underneath the house. Sexy shorts and thongs.
That's it. I'm really another KAON air compressor plug. Yeah. Anthony gave me, you get that one.
The KAON air compressor plug. 3D printing. All systems go. There, mate.
This is a failed print. You can sort of see what it used to be. It was a cargo barrier sleeve, but it came loose and blocked up the nozzle, and look, we got a blob.
So things don't always work out.
Yeah, that's it. So we're just waiting for those bolts so we can send them away to get tested. So this is a batch for testing and for fitment. So we did the 3D prototype first, and this is the actual first batch.
Nice.
For frame inside the card. This machine here's got 2.7 meter travel, so that's why it's nice to finish off. The injector, compression tools, and
The compression tester tool, right?
compression tester tool. It does the diff plugs,
Yep.
and it does the diff plug removal tool. So it does it all in one go. So it turns and mills. Mounting pads that go on the UVP. They go in there, and then the nut goes in there. That's how we recess the bolts. So we actually CNC machine these pads. These are for Prado 150 UVP. So we're just doing a big batch of them. Got some round. This is actually from China. It's got a Japanese controller in it. That's even more reliable than Mitsubishi controller. Yeah, this is the machine my dad started the business on. That's still there. Still gets used every day. The testing that you have to build, you have to start somewhere and build on it. Up to fully machined. It's all programmed offline on Fusion 360 Autodesk product. But this is for electric vehicle chargers as well. And we do buy it. I was wondering if you're going to recognise those.
I've got a smaller one, and then I've got a Guillotine stick.
Yeah.
Do you purge that when you roll it?
Yeah.
Do you have to clean up the inside at all? Or the purge is pretty good?
It's pretty good. Pretty good. How much of your work totals here? For both the KAON business and the engineering fabrication. Everything comes in here, and then from here it goes into the workshop, or it gets sent out to get powder coated or zinc plated. And then when it comes back, it gets packed down the end. And then today everyone's actually shipping because it's been 3 days since we've shipped. Stuff on the bottom there, that's come back from the powder coaters, all that stuff needs to be packed still. It's waiting for coaters.
So you're going to put that
Under there.
on that.
Yep. Give us a few seconds.
A few seconds.
Yep.
I love this part.
Check that out.
Wow, that's cool. So this is the hoist where we see all the action happening. And a few orders.
Yeah, that's all the stuff that gets shipped out. We've got that international area there, and then this is all Fastways, and then we've got Australia Post and Couriers Food. You can see it's mostly barriers at the moment. A lot of the barriers will go back outside, and all the small stuff goes in here.
More stuff in here, look at this, eh? So I hope you liked our little tour of the KAON manufacturing. It's an awesome business, awesome people, awesome products, the design and the manufacturing and everything, all the products are made in Australia. This is a growing business, and if you're not on board with the best quality, get onto it. Check out their website, kaon.com.au, and the product range will be growing. Support Australian made. Thanks for watching, guys. That's a bada bing, bada boom. See ya. We're not done yet. There goes the Aramex van bringing your KAON to you. All gone. Look at these tough bash plates, 4mm. They don't get bent like the 3mm ones do. Hey, a little birdie told me, I just want to come over and tell you a secret, right? I've got a little birdie told me there could be a sale in June, okay? So if we stuck around till the end, June is your magic month if you're waiting. Look, I can't guarantee this, but I've got a pretty good feeling that there's going to be a 10% discount, 10% off sale in June. So stay tuned on their website and their Instagram and their Facebook page, whatever, because I'm not going to tell you when it is. I'm giving you the pre-information. Start saving. June's the magic month. We'll call it the end of financial year sale. 10% off. Anyway, guys, that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm out of here. Subscribe. Turn the bell on. Bada bing. Give us a thumbs up if you like that. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing what's happening here in the growing KAON business.